to the Queen's Court. Today I have our elegant summer tablescape. Okay. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Please, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Yes. All right, so we're working with the black and gold today and some cream. Okay. I'm going to play this to music, and I ask that you enjoy the video. Okay, so we're going to start here. I got these beautiful chargers here. I'm not going to lift it up because then I'll mess this up. These beautiful chargers came from Benmart. Okay. These plates came from Walmart. These napkins came from my First Lady, Karen Williams, Lady K. I got these flatware from Amazon. Okay. These right here, beautiful black goblets came from Goodwill. Okay. These right here came from Home Goods. I believe it was Home Goods. Yes. Home Goods or either Ross. I think it was Ross or Marshall's, one of them. Okay. All right, I DIY'd this here. This is one of my favorite coasters. I use them all the time. So pretty. Okay. And this here, I got that from the Dollar Tree. These right here, candle holders, came from Goodwill. And this candle came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this here apothecary jar came from, I believe it was Ross. It was Ross, I believe. And yeah, I spray painted it. It was like a yellow, if y'all remember. It was yellow. I spray painted it gold. Okay. These black peonies and these cream color peonies came from Amazon. Okay. These beautiful plant fillers, or I forget the name of them, but they came from Temu. Temu. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. Okay, so this is the arrangement. Oh, I forgot something. This beautiful napkin ring holder with the bee on it came from Hobby Lobby. Okay, that was like a year ago. Last year, I believe it was. I got that. But this is the Tablescape. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my elegant summer Tablescape. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Love you all. Thanks for watching.